Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from Upstate Garage. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, give me a like. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the interior of my E46 M3 ZCP dining package. And this peanut butter interior needs some work. So airbags deployed right here in the door. We got a current airbag that we need to replace, and then as well as the steering wheel. I don't know if y'all can see it, steering wheel needs to be replaced. And in today's video, we got all the parts, all the airbags. So let's get to work. Let's take off this door panel and start on the door. Before you do any work with the airbags, be sure to disconnect the battery in the back. That way no electronic failures or anything with the wiring happens. So that's exactly what I did. And then for this, you're gonna need just a T20 and some basic pry tools. You just gotta be really careful. So let's go. It looks like there's some aftermarket wiring going on. I started looking and these look like aftermarket speakers. Or maybe they're just original, but this is definitely aftermarket. I'm gonna try to glue the speakers back in place, and while we wait for it to dry, let's do the steering wheel airbag. Got myself a box from a guy on Facebook. I actually sent him money on Zelle, and I guess it wasn't a scam or nothing. For $100, I got this airbag right here. And seems like there's two little tabs you gotta press on. Let's see if I can pop this thing out. So much harder than it seems. Yeah, this was probably one of the hardest airbag removals I've ever done. Check this out. You stick it in this hole in the back, press this, and the crazy thing was I was already pressing it and it's not coming out. It just didn't come out, and that's crazy. What I had to do is remove this freaking trim on the steering wheel, which I ended up breaking. I was getting pissed off. It took me over an hour to do this shit. And then I just ended up getting a screwdriver and prying this sucker out. I don't know why it wasn't going. It was just stuck in there some. I'm gonna wait to put the airbag in until I get this Alcantara trim piece, because it looks like I broke it. And it has to kind of sit under the airbag, so. All right guys, so we got a new airbag right here. Let's install it. Just one simple plug and 3 10 mils. Goes like this. The door panel right here, we gotta flap this piece back in. I'm not sure exactly how to do it. It looks like on the back, I think these are 8 mils. Or maybe these are 10. Let me try it out. No, they're 8s. We gotta pop these 8s out and then try to kind of shove this piece back in. All right, so right here I shoved it all in, and now it's time to screw these back in, just in case the airbag deploys. The actual piece won't actually fly out and hit you. So let's put our little 8 mils back in, and it's time to put it on the car. And here's all the footage I have of the interior. I lost some footage installing the steering wheel airbag and the roof airbag, but everything came together. And if you're not following me already on Instagram and TikTok, be sure to follow me on there. That's where I post my sneak peeks, just like this Alcantara steering wheel trim. So follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get the latest and up-to-date videos before the video comes out on YouTube. So I just took this wheel off and check it out. I noticed this is the tie rod. I gotta take this boot off and see what's going on under there, because there's still power steering fluid. I wonder if it's the actual tie rod, the inner one, that broke off, or if it's actually the pinion that's messed up. I was looking, it does still have power steering fluid right there. So that tells me possibly the rack and pinion's good and we won't have to replace it. All right guys, so right here is the two sides of the struts and the knuckles. I'm probably gonna end up using these rotors. These rotors are drilled, and then those pads are still pretty good. I think they're almost brand new, and these are not drilled, or yeah, these aren't slotted, they're just drilled. And then also the boot is ripped, and then one boot is ripped over there. This boot is good, this one's ripped, so we're gonna have to do some boot exchanges, but that's no big deal, that's later on. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. So we got the suspension off, we're ready to throw on this one, and then we got our wheels that we're just gonna use as rollers until my wheels come in, the new ones I ordered. So in the next video we're gonna install all that, get everything connected, and hopefully we can actually maybe drive this thing around or get it rolling and stuff like that. So editing this video, I realized I didn't do a proper outro, so if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe down below, leave a like, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.